and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4. Discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how Appz works. So this is the dashboard right here. So to create your mobile apps, you click on my applications, and then this will show all the existing apps you've created. Then you click on new applications and you can choose this or this. So you can easily turn any website, URL or page to mobile app, or you can start to create from scratch. So let me use this. You click on next, you input your details right here, the app name, the URL of the website that you want to turn to mobile app, the description and others, the category, and you click on next. So you quickly select the theme color right here, the background color, the primary color. Okay, you click on next. Then you upload your app icon. Then click on create application, and you can see so it has been created successfully, and all you need to do is to click here to download this file and install it on your website root folder. So you click on download, you go to next. For the next step, you download this 2 file as well and also upload it to your website public root folder. So let's click on next. And lastly, you copy this code and you paste it inside your index.html or this, and your website is now going to be running as a mobile app. The setup has been completed, and this is the new app we just created. Alright, so now also let's use this second option. You fill in the details and also you input the keyword. So you can choose to use a template or start from scratch. I'm going to use a template. Click on proceed. Select from the list of templates that we have, or you can fetch out. Okay, so you can also preview. So let me use this. Okay, apps created. Amazing. So this is the template and you can easily customize this. You can add whatever you want to do. Demo, test. You can change the color. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay. You can also add any of these elements right here. So like this. This is a timer now, so you can move it up to anywhere you want. So this is it here. You can set the date, you can customize to whatever you want. Okay, you can change the style, the background color, everything that you want. Okay, also you can add the menu, you can modify everything. So once you're done, you click on save changes and you publish your app, and you can click here to preview. So this is a live preview. Okay, and it will ask your viewers, your customers, to install these on their mobile phone, and they can click on install and install this application on their mobile phones. Also, with apps, you can add products. You can easily sell any kind of products right on your mobile app. You can sell digital products, physical products, e-commerce products, or whatever. Okay, so you can add a product category, the order list. Okay, you can also monetize your mobile apps with affiliate offer. Alright, you can send SMS right inside apps. You can send push notification. You fill in the title, the message, your mobile apps link right here. Okay, and it also comes with a built-in marketplace that allows you to sell your mobile apps to local businesses. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.